Today we're cleaning out the boat, baby. Step 1, clean up all the trash, parts, and the console tarp. We gotta get that out of here. Now that we got the trash out, let's get the tarp folded up. Put it out here, fold it in half, and bing, bang, boom, and we're done. Next, we need to get some water for the deck. Basically, I toss it around randomly, let's just be real. After that, we're gonna get some Dawn dish soap and add that in. And using a rag, I'm cleaning from the front deck downward so I don't get dirty what I already cleaned. Pro tip, this will make your deck so slippery you'll need to call 911 to stand up again. I'm gentle on the console here so it doesn't get into my hatches. The grip floor is heinous on your knees, so beware. Here you can see I forgot to put the mat underneath my seat and it destroyed my new floor, so that's splendid. And once everything is scrubbed, I rinse it with water, and it's actually kind of satisfying to watch here. Again, being careful of the console when I'm rinsing it down to get water, not get water in there. Towel drying is the only way to get a really clean deck, and no one can change my mind. Follow to see more videos in the boat build series.